So I'm here in my pollinator garden and I realized early October I need to harvest milkweed seeds. These seed pods are going crazy. You'll see here, the indicator is when they pop open. Ideally, you're getting them before they pop open. I don't have any common milkweed here. Most of what we're looking at is swamp milkweed, purple milkweed, and showy milkweed, my favorite milkweed of all time. For me personally, harvesting seeds, I don't care which one I'm harvesting, because what I'm collecting seeds for are my friends and the Brown County and everybody else that's gonna need all the milkweed that I have. I've got this paper bag. Pretty simply, I'm gonna separate the seeds later, but you can kind of see I've got a pod here. I'm just gonna take the entire pod. Now, milkweed seed pods can have up to 200 seeds in each pod, which is crazy. And it makes this really cool fibrous material that in World War II, they actually use this in pillows. And it's a really soft material. It's really cool. And the thing about it that's really funny is I had collected some more seeds in the house. And when you try to separate the seeds from this, it just kind of sticks everywhere, which is kind of the point, right? It's supposed to fly around, find a spot and kind of chill there and then, you know, grow into milkweed. So what's crazy is this one has no seed pods. So you can tell somebody got to those or they flew off. And this one, I'm just gonna collect and I'll put it in here. So again, like I'm gonna put these in a shaker. Otherwise, if I don't have any seeds, oh, this one has some, oop. And sometimes it's just easier to put the bag there and then grab what you want. This guy didn't open, so he's not open yet, so I'll just pull the entire thing and put him in there. But in there, I probably already have 400 seeds. And then you'll see right here, I'll just drop those in. Just kind of, it's just gold, right? The seeds are perfect, they're ready to go. You'll see a bunch on there, they're brown. And it's just great. It's just a good time to remember. And it's just free seed. Like, you never have to buy milkweed again. Now, you know, some people would say, hey, Corey, you don't even know which milkweed you're pulling. Well, in my opinion, and those of you that haven't, please check out my pollinator presentation about milkweed. I actually go through some studies about growing milkweed on the north and south side, which species are better for weight for Lepidoptera species, so check that out. And while you're here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do everything on pollinators in Zone 5, my pollinator garden and veggies in Zone 5 here in Green Bay, Wisconsin. So go ahead and click that like button and hit that subscribe button. I'm just gonna go around the garden and grab seeds. I love milkweed is like the greatest thing. It's really good for bumblebees, not just good for monarchs. There's tons of studies that show how great milkweed can be. And again, there's 12 species native to Wisconsin, and I'm protecting some purple milkweed here. So I'm trying to collect my purple. That is over there. So I'll probably specifically pull the purple and put it in its own little spot, because I do like to nurture the purple because that is endangered in Wisconsin. But like here is showy milkweed, which I love showy milkweed, is my favorite. Oh, and you can see some aphids. These are actually milkweed aphids. I'm sure some predator bug is gonna come and eat them soon, which will be nice. But I'm just gonna pull what seed pods I can off of this guy and move on with my life. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this happen. And I'll show you the fruits of my harvest when I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and get these dried, and then I'll use a colander to sift them. And then I'm gonna I'll label them milkweed, and then I'll probably do some early starts in January. So stay tuned for that. But hey, if you have milkweed, you should definitely be harvesting the seeds. I think I'm gonna do this really cool technique where you basically can take kitty litter and I can make clay balls with the seeds, and then that way I can throw them around, and it's gorilla seed gardening. So excited about that, because you know what? The world needs more milkweed. There's one thing this world needs, it's more milkweed. So have fun with that.